Vertical smash! What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today I'm going to teach you how to put that YouTube dislike button back. Plain and simple. Let's get into it. Open up your browser, and as you can see, just as a little demonstration right now, you can't see a dislike number here. So if I click it, you can't see it. It's just dislike. And well, let's be honest, not many likes either. But I'm a small YouTuber, so give me a break. Alright, so this is what you got to do to get it back. Open up a new browser. Type in return YouTube and dislike. Okay, and that's all you got to do. Just dislike. Okay, the first thing that comes up is your Google Chrome extension. Click return YouTube dislike and add it to Chrome over here, this blue button, and then add extension right there. Just give it a moment. Okay, it's been returned. Now let's test it out. You're going to have to refresh the page or close and restart the browser in order for this to show up. But there you go, restart it, and there you have it. The dislike button is back. Isn't that awesome? I don't understand why YouTube even took it away, but that could be a whole other discussion. So if you guys enjoyed this and this helped you out, please help me out by leaving a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. God bless your beautiful faces, and I will see you again real soon.